Hi everyone, my name is Mukesh Kumar. In this training session, I will take you through the informational architecture that we use to develop the OneWeb project. This session will help you to understand the basic item structure beneath every website under the OneWeb umbrella. So let's get started. With the development of OneWeb project, the major difference that you will see in the website structure in the site core is earlier the short site that was directly present under this the content item in the site core content editor. But now the short website is actually moved to the OneWeb tenant folder with this project development. So beneath this uh, beneath this OneWeb tenant, you will find this Schwartz website. This this is where you will do all your content editing related to a recipe product and all the content editing related to the Schwartz from now onwards. And beneath this Schwartz website, you have a different subfolders. These I will take you through them one by one. So first up is your home folder. This home folder contains all the site pages that can be that can have a presentational elements and can be displayed to the end user. So your all the pages related to the product, blogs, your discover pages, all are actually fall under this home item itself. Then next up is your media folder. This media folder shows you a scoped view of a media library that include all the media items available for the site, such as images, animation, videos, and so on. These media items do not exist physically in this folder, but they are directly referenced from the media library folder assigned to the website on the site home item, as you can see it from here. So here we have the Schwartz folder associated with this Schwartz website. So from under that folder we have a different images for different pages which are directly referred beneath this media folder. But with the development of this the OneWeb project, the major implementation change is introduced to the media item. So all the assets that were previously referenced from the media library, like your product images, your recipe campaign, and other images, they are now directly being referenced by the widen bucket folder, which is available under your media library, and you can find it right here. So from here you need to reference the image library. So now onwards, if you want to create some product or a recipe, first you need to upload those images into the widen, and they sync back in the site core with the scheduler that is already configured by a GTT team, and then you can directly reference them to your product or the recipe items. Then next up is your data folder. This folder contains all the data sources that are used across the multiple pages within the website. This data folder provides a location of a shared data content at a site level, and it also organizes the content based on the rendering type that we created during our development. So for example, all the data sources related to the hero banners are directly come beneath this hero banner folder itself, and for the generic content it will comes under the generic content, and so on. You can organize your different data source based on a different this rendering type available in this particular folder. Then next up is your global data. This is where you can find the setting related to your search facets and your SEO tracking details. So you can configure your GTM IDs, your GA IDs, your Bing verification code, all can be configured under this item itself. And also you can configure your brand name directly from this item. And next is your Schwartz dictionary. This is where all your dictionary that we used in this particular site itself. So all these will be a part of this particular folder only. Then next up is your presentation. The presentation contain the setting and the presentation detail for the different feature that we have developed, which contain your page design, your partial design, and different layout services for the Schwartz website. So all those will be a part of this particular folder itself. Then next up is the setting item. This is more of a developer specific item because this contains the configuration details of the website. The details like your site setting, your host URLs, your different cache settings, all will be a part of this particular node itself. So this is how the entire architecture for this Schwartz website is configured under the OneWeb. Yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.